Well folks, the day is upon us to collect the MX-5 from the body shop. Wait till you see it. I haven't actually seen it myself yet properly, I've only seen a couple of pictures. It's hidden away behind a Kia. But look at this. Ah yes. Finally has gotten the treatment it deserves. The paint blending is perfect, you'd never know. It looks absolutely fantastic. That is brilliant. We have new alloy wheels lined up as well for it, so don't worry about them. But yeah, really happy with that now. That looks absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. Best Body Shop Nace. That's the place. He deserves a plug. What instilled me with a bit of confidence was the Mark 1 GTI that was over here. And there's a Mustang as well. And look, wait till you see this, look. Wouldn't you mind me showing you this, but it's a bit dusty, but wow. Like you could dive into that paint. The depth of it is absolutely incredible. That's going to be a really cool car when it's done. Pop-up headlights for the win. So he's well set up. He's got the oven spray booth, all that sort of stuff as well. So this is a proper outfit here. And he turned the car around in 2 weeks, and to that standard. That is why your car does not need to sit down the back of a body shop for a year and a half with you doing your absolute nut trying to get the panel beater to do his job, like what I had with the Beetle. Now I know that you're not supposed to speak ill of the dead. The guy who actually did the Beetle is apparently since passed away, but yeah, he had no business doing the job he was doing. It was an absolute nightmare, and I've actually got the Beetle with me because I'm going to get Gabby here to have a look at it for me and see if he can put right a few of the things that were done wrong. So let's see what he has to say. The results really do speak for themselves. Now that wing is a reproduction wing and the bonnet is reproduction, so there's going to be little things like panel gaps and stuff like that, but that's, you know, look, to be honest with you, it's absolutely perfect as far as I'm concerned. I mean, look at it. Especially when you saw the way this car was before. Now we just need to get those wheels replaced, and I have a set lined up, so we're going to pick them up over the next while. But no, this is a man who definitely takes pride in his workmanship, and it definitely shows. I mean, yeah, that's a class looking car. There's no two ways about it, it really is. So yeah, time to get it home. I have a few little bits and pieces I still need to do on it as well, so yeah, but it's really a car that I always thought was kind of worth spending time and money on and everything like that, and just getting it right. Oh yeah, and I also picked up a grill for the bottom of it as well. You know, with the fangs. So there's a black grill in there now just to keep the radiator safe, and I got them to fit wheel arch liners, so they're in there as well. So that's all done. Those little marks on the sills, they rub off. It's only just dust. It was raining last night, I suppose. But yeah, top class. He's willing to take on the Beetle, by the way, but it's a job that I'm not going to be taking on today or tomorrow, to tell you the truth. I just don't have the resources for it at the moment, but it's nice to know that there's somebody who actually does take time and effort and that to do these type of things. So I will, I'll definitely, this is the guy I'll be most likely coming to anyway when it comes time to actually do the work. It is a fantastic thing for me to have found a body shop that I can actually trust, who does good work and doesn't take the piss, and who will turn around a car in a reasonable time frame. And he didn't charge the earth either. So yeah, definitely a big win there, and I'm absolutely thrilled, and so is my wife. So we're going to take the car out for a spin, and yeah, I will see you in a future video. Thanks very much for watching. Has to be done. I think my wife is happy, so that's a win. And here it is, safe and sound at home. Looking absolutely fantastic. You know something, after putting all of the mechanical work into this car that I have, it's absolutely fantastic to see it like this now. It feels like it's kind of my reward for all of my hard work and everything as well. And as I said, my wife is absolutely thrilled with it as well. So yeah, I'm absolutely delighted. So big win. Thanks for watching.